Hi lovelies, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sendao and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, herbalist, and so many other things. In this video, you are going to watch me go through a couple of my clients. A little push, so make sure you stick around and let me know as you watch it if you identify with any of the women in these videos. Let me know if whether or not you want me to do videos like this at least once a week. Okay, I love you so very much, and yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Now before we get started, let's go ahead and give a shout out to this video's sponsor, Down Edge Tamer. They sent me all of these different flavors of edge control. You will see a lot of them in the videos to come, but in this video in particular, I am using the first Down Edge Tamer, their ultimate touch. That's the one in the orange container. Let me tell you something, this edge control has been coming through in the clutch for your girl. Along with my HS, it's been very easy for me to cleanse my follicles with. After I put on edge control, I don't just go to sleep. I make sure that I cleanse my scalp around the places that I put the edge control before I go to bed at night, and this is so easy to cleanse, and it also holds my wigs in place. You know, listen, I actually have a video coming really soon where I show you how I don't need any type of got to be glued or anything. If you want to get your hands on this edge control, make sure you check out your local beauty supply store because you can find it there. I have so many more videos coming on this edge control. Get ready. Perfect. Yes, now I can see you.
Hi. I'm good. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you're real.
I can't believe I'm real. Listen, I should have put on eyebrows. Like, if you didn't think I was real, like, I should have known to be like freaking cute, like when we first came on here. But what problems are you having with your hair?
All right, so I think I have HS as well because I
Okay.
have the boils under my arms,
Okay.
but I didn't know that it could affect my hair.
Yes.
And I've always had the thinning. It's very thin and it's shorter. So I want to show you as much as
Yes,
I
please.
can.
Yes.
So I'll take this off. So
Okay.
So right here, it's like that. And then the back is way longer.
Oh, but that shrinkage though.
Yeah.
So,
So
question for you: do you this up here ever?
sometimes yes, it's sore and it itches really bad.
Mm-hmm.
But it doesn't look like, because I saw your video and it has like round circles. It doesn't really look like that. But I have some section on the side as well that's it just looks a little bit sparse,
Mm-hmm.
or I
A
can
little
feel
thinner.
the scalp more. Right. So I didn't really get it diagnosed in my hair, but I got it for the underarm boils.
Okay. And so,
I've gone natural about 3 times, and the last time I cut my hair was last year about March. So
okay.
I usually cornrow it and wear wigs.
Okay.
And then when I do decide to wear it out, I wear it in a ponytail. So I'll spray it with this,
Okay.
and then I made a mixture of virgin air fertilizer
Okay.
and castor oil and sulfur. I made that mixture, and I use that so after I spray it, I use that to rub it in.
Okay.
And
So,
sometimes I
what?
use like carrot oil or castor
Okay.
oil on its own,
And do you put those oils on your hair or on the scalp?
all over scalp and hair.
Okay. Very
Right.
last question, even though I said the last.
I checked it. So I did it night before last night, and I took from right here and I took from one at the back. two
Okay.
at the back. And the one that came from here, when I put it in, within like a second or two, it went straight to the bottom. And then the one that I took from the back of my hair, it stayed on top. And I didn't do anything
So
to it until after an hour. And then I went like this, and it went to the bottom.
same thing locally,
Okay.
you're good. Where are you?
I'm in Jamaica, in Portmore, Jamaica. So it's nice and hot and sunny right
Come
now.
get me.
You know, I should have greeted you with the Jamaican style, but I was
I'm
so
I'm
excited that you're real, so I forgot that I was gonna say,
excited that
"Girl, wagwan,
you're excited that I'm real.
wagwan."
I'm excited that you're real. The hell? Like you still where your people from. I don't even know where my people from. Come get me. I could probably be your cousin or something. You been watching the news?
Yeah,
Come get me. Talk about you. Wouldn't know if
yeah,
I'm.
girl, we all related, you know.
I'm so jealous. I'm so just no. I am jealous. Like, but this is so cool. All jokes aside, that's so cool. That like I'm sitting here
Yeah,
in Vegas and you're in Jamaica and we're like on here.
we can connect, you know.
Yes, it's so
Zoom
good.
and technology is good. Yeah.
Oh, motherland. I just can't concentrate. I'm glad you told me that at the end. As we're at the end. I'm so glad you said that at the end. Not because we wouldn't have got
Yeah.
anything accomplished. Oh my God.
Hey, girl, Jamaica, me there.
Oh,
I'm in Jamaica.
oh
I
my God.
love you though. I love watching your
Oh, I
videos and
love
I'm
you.
stalking you.
No, I'm
Like,
stalking
wow.
you. I'm stalking you. I'm gonna just Zoom with you one day just because like I just want you to say what you just said again. Like, yes, Jamaica girl. Oh my God.
Yeah, just say Wagwan and that's how are you? Wagwan. Let me hear you say it.
Okay. Wagwan. Did I say it right?
Girl,
Told
you
you I'm
got
your
it.
cousin. When I come out there, we just gotta tan some more. Damn colonization. I'm supposed to be chocolate, but we'll talk about it. You're perfect. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What issues are you having with your hair?
Okay. So whole situation.
It's
I
beautiful, by the
am
way.
oh thanks. I am high density,
Okay.
the lowest porosity you could ever think of.
Okay.
um, and fine. And when my hair is like combed out, it goes out like this.
Okay.
So I have no hang for real.
Okay.
The front, the loosest curl pattern. The middle is like the most, I don't know, difficult, I'd say.
Okay.
And then the back is a little better. Although this has been out a few days, I have done absolutely nothing to it. And so the back will end up getting like this, like cotton, just like
Okay.
cotton. And so that's about it. I have seborrhea.
Okay.
And I just went to the doctor, to the dermatologist, and they gave me Still Prolock shampoo and this oil. I think I've had this before, fluorophenolen acetonide.
Okay.
So, but I don't like, and I used to use ACV. I would spray it on my scalp and then shampoo my hair until I saw your videos.
Okay.
And then, so I stopped doing that, and I never have used rice water because I just thought it was doing too much. And then I saw your videos about rice water too. I was like, oh yeah, no.
Like, just a little overkill sometimes. So, what issues are
Yeah,
you
and I prefer
currently?
to use more.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. I just prefer to use more natural products, but I don't know really what I should be using. Like I said, the seborrhea is the biggest issue.
Okay. So I would say for you, the main thing that you want to do is limit the amount of products that you're using, period. Because another, I'm actually glad you said that. One thing that I want you to start doing when you comb your hair, I need you to either wear a black or no, wear a white shirt and start taking pictures after start taking pictures after you comb through your hair of how much shedding you're getting, because I need you to start taking note of it and start taking note of how much shedding you're getting and how much shedding you're not getting. And I also need you from now on, whenever you go to the hair salon to get your hair cut, if you could ask her to take a picture for you and wear a white shirt every time, because I need you to start tracking your progress. Do you journal at all?
No.
I know. Well, can you do me a favor?
You want to make a? You
I,
should make a printable for that.
I am. I'm gonna do it for you. I promise. But I do want you to just until I do get it together. I'm gonna get my life together. Until I do, I need you to like just start making a list and just taking note. Even if you just do it on your phone until I get my life together and had a PDF for you. I need you to notice and start making note, because what happens is if you're taking pictures and you already have a regimen, you already have a schedule where you get your trims. So if you start taking pictures and making note of yourself wearing the same picture, wearing the same shirt, if something happens and you still feel like, let's say 6 months from now, you're like, I'm still not retaining lint, you have note and you can look at what were my habits like around this time, what type of things was I eating, and you can really start pinpointing what your issues are. And then it sounds like petty, but it really works, because you can look at your diet and say, okay, maybe this was the week that my hair was thinning and shedding a lot because you've been taking pictures. This is the week my hair was shedding a lot, but this also the week that I went to McDonald's like 4 times, and not even being funny, you but seriously, like you, because you'll
Yeah.
notice different things in your
Hmm.
body, and then when you see that, you be like, oh dang, that's what be happening when I eat. And you can do things, not even being funny, you can do things to balance it out.
I'm in Georgia, so I was thinking 11:30, and I'm glad I looked again. I was like, okay, it's
Oh
11:30 her time, but 2:30 my time.
yes, I'm in
Yeah,
Vegas
I'm doing
for now.
well. Okay, well, like I said, a couple of days ago, it was so crazy. I think Friday night, um, I discovered you. It was crazy because I had made
Okay.
an appointment for Saturday to get my hair permed,
Okay.
and my hairstylist, she's a professional barber.
Okay.
She's a barber.
Okay.
That's what she is. But so I mean, your video just came up
Okay.
about the one about no longer in the natural hair community.
Okay.
So I started binge watching your videos, and then I ended up going to get my hair permed, and she said I can't perm it today. It's too oily because I had too much product. I had to wet it and put cream on it. All that stuff that
Oh,
I know that
okay.
you've heard. All that stuff that I know that you've heard.
Yes, I
It's just what
understand.
I want. Yes. I mean, I do. I want to be able to wear my afro. I want to be able to wear it straight. But I
Right.
know if I perm it, I really can't do both.
So what was your main reason for wanting to get a relaxer?
Well, because I just felt like I kept switching too many products. I was in my head too much. And then I just said, you know what? I don't like being in my head all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a perm because I think it'll be easier,
I
to
understand.
manage. And then I came and then your video came through my feed. And I
Okay.
said, wait a minute, let me listen to what she's saying. And because like I just purchased some doggone coconut oil. I purchased coconut oil, I think Thursday, and I
Okay.
put it in my hair. It was hard as a rock.
So did you
I
do
didn't
a
like the way
porosity test yet? Have you done a porosity test yet? And remember, this is
I did a
a judgment free zone. The natural oils that your hair have will come down your hair shaft, and your hair shaft will begin to thicken up.
Mhm.
And so
Thank you. Thank you so much
you're
because
fine.
I was always told we don't have any natural oils. That's why we have to grease our scalp.
And whenever, and I know sometimes I'm glad we're able to see her one-on-one. I'm just a pretty intense person. I can't help it. I'm from Detroit. But that's
Okay.
one thing that really irritates me, because in the natural hair
Mhm.
community, they teach that. That is not true. There is within your scalp, there is literally a sebaceous gland. It's called a sebaceous gland in your scalp that literally just holds oil. The only difference
Okay.
between a black woman's hair and another race is it takes the sebum longer to get down our hair shaft because it got to go down a coil.
Okay. I get it. I get it. Because our hair isn't straight, so it don't fall down.
Yeah, that's like,
I get it.
think about it like this, mama. If you got a slinky, right? And
Mm-hmm.
or a straw. You got a slinky and you got a straw. And you put oil down the straw, it's gonna be like, shoot, it's gonna hit the floor in no time.
Exactly.
But you pour that oil down that slinky, baby, it's gonna be like,
exactly. Porosity test. Porosity test.
yes.
Either this evening or tomorrow. Now,
Okay.
do you want me to email you just to let you know what it is?
Please, yes.
And then I can start after that buying my products.
Yeah. So yeah, wait
Okay.
until
Now,
after you do the porosity test to buy your products, because I would hate for you to buy high porosity stuff and you got low porosity here. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. You're a sister. I don't have no problem with that.
Oh, thank you.
And I'll probably be contacting you later on about some other things.
Yeah.
But
I really would.
I'll do
I
a
need you
session
to
with
keep
you.
me updated.
I will. But I appreciate you, and you'll see me again because I'll pay for another session. I don't have no problem with it.
Yay, because I really want your hair to do
But
good. One of
thank
the
you.
main reasons I'm doing this is because they really have Black women walking around. And when I say they, I mean everybody, any race, thinking like God said, every race of women on walking the face of this earth gonna have long hair, but Black women, y'all gonna have slavery in America and y'all gonna be bald head. No, that's not how it goes. There's just
Yeah, I know
science
it's
to
not
it.
true because my oldest sister, she had hair down to her butt.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She had hair down to her butt.
And you can do the same
So I
thing
know
too.
it's possible.
You can do the same thing too. We just need your follicles
Yeah,
clear.
I wanted to be, yeah,
Go ahead. What were you gonna
okay.
say?
I wanted to be more, I just worry about the health of my head.
Yes.
I want it to be healthy. But thank you so much.
No problem. I appreciate you. Thank you for trusting
for
me.
that.
And I'm gonna stalk you in
Okay.
2 weeks. Just know I'm gonna stalk you. I'm not just
It's okay. But I'll most definitely, I'll let you know what my porosity is.
please, 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 please. Because I'll stalk
All
you for
right.
that
Thank
too.
you. I
I'm
know
like,
you gotta go. Thank you.
it's not gonna take you longer than 24 hours to check your porosity. So I will be like, squeeze me. What is your porosity?